Hey guys, welcome back with another episode of best free KLWP that are available in the Play Store right now. I saw a good response from you guys on the previous episode of it, so I decided to make another one. So without wasting any time, let's get started with our video. First of all, I'd like to say that KLWP is a paid application that is required for these setups, but the themes that are shown here are completely free to use. So the first theme of this list is called Hooligans. It's got 4.8 rating on the Play Store. There is only one theme in this pack, but that's good enough for it to make it in this list. The theme is basically based on a GIF file which looks really cool to look at. You can change the background to light or dark theme according to your preference. There is a date and time widget at the top and 3 text icons on the bottom, which makes it look minimal and beautiful as well. The second theme is called Simple Grid. There is only one theme in this pack also. As the name suggests, the theme is based on a grid, which makes it look unique from others. And there isn't any icon on the home screen. Rather than that, you get all the informations that are necessarily required. And it also presents them in a beautiful way, which doesn't harm the aesthetics of your phone. And also, you can customize the theme by one tap very easily. Third in our list is the theme named Simplicity, and it has 4.1 rating on the Play Store. There are 10 presets in this pack, and most of them are excellent to look at any phones. The themes are mostly based on light color and material design, which surely going to help you get a beautiful home screen. Some of the presets are better than paid presets as well, and it's definitely deserves some love from the users. So give it a try if you liked it. The fourth theme on the list is Shared Theme Collection, and it's got a whopping 5-star rating at the Play Store. There are 6 presets to choose from in this pack, and each of them are hands down one of the best themes that you can find in Play Store. The themes are not only beautiful to look at, but the sheer amount of customization makes them outstanding among all. You need to go through each theme with some time to know the potential of the theme, but I can surely say that you can't expect this much attention to details from any free themes that are in the Play Store right now, so please don't miss it. Last but not the least, we have the theme named Custom Screen 2, which have 4.7 rating in the Play Store. This pack contains KLWP and KWGT both. There are 11 presets to choose from, but only thing is that not all of them supports the tall aspect ratio of the modern phones. Other than that, they are awesome to look at, and you can customize them as well. So I would definitely recommend you to give it a try for once at least. All the links are given in the description, and if you have any problem regarding to the setup, do let me know. And if you like this video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe as well. So that's all for today. I will see you soon. Till then, stay safe. Peace out.